Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481381382, and today we have a 2013 Ford Focus ST. Stock offer is 4265. This shape runs from the 5th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 2 litre EcoBoost 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. The left front has a bald tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has a small dent and a small fold on the lower edge. Left rear door has 2 small dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. ST type rear bumper bar. Does have some light scuffs. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side skirt ST type. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror, power fold puddle light type, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and blue leather interior, Recaro seats, Suite ST, has a leather centre console lid, 6-speed manual, gear shifter, manual type console, climate controls, heater controls, factory sat nav, Sony CD player, display cluster. We have the gauge coupling on the top of the dash, Suite ST, interior mirror, courtesy lamp in black with sunglass holder, left hand sun visor in black, right hand sun visor in black, instrument cluster, and a tidy ST leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.